I'm gonna redneck the heck out of this.
This is what you do when you're trying to save a little, but you really like the shoes.
I'm gonna go for a little hike. Can't believe I'm actually doing this.
I can't believe we're doing this either.
Positive we're gonna get lost here. I mean, the adventurous people are gonna say it's just a gravel path.
There should be a payoff.
They lied on the elevation on their map, but I ain't the adventurous type. Someone didn't listen to me and brought the light. So we're gonna go check this cave out.
Okay.
It's all downhill.
Take you where you wanna go.
Hey there, glad you're here. We're Jason and Katie, and we shifted into full-time RV life just over a year ago. We love to explore, we're big fans of nature, and we spend most of our time boondocking. This season, we really wanted to spend some time in Texas, to soak in some warm weather, explore, and slow things down a bit. It took a couple of RV challenges, a few really rough days, and a few really good ones to get here, but we made it. We found a great spot that gave us a home base to explore this Texas hill country.
Did you hear that bird?
Yeah, babe. That's red-shouldered hawk.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I love how comfortably these shoes are. But in gravel, the rocks stick in there and they dig in your feet. I'm gonna fix that today. I'm gonna redneck the heck out of this. Silicone. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna fill that stock full and see how that works.
Now, is silicone rated for, like, walking on gravel?
Well, we're gonna find out.
Are they still going to be flexible?
Yeah, it's silicone.
Okay.
I'm gonna patent this.
Jason's shoe filling
Yep,
service. Come on by.
and I'll fill your cracks.
Now you have to satisfy everybody's OCD here. You have to make it look nice.
Oh, of course.
What are you gonna do? Lick your finger and...
Yeah. Can't believe I'm actually doing this.
I can't
but-
believe we're doing this either.
But if it works, I'll be like, I can't believe I didn't do this sooner. All right. Just in my heel area.
Did you just...
Yeah, lick my finger. That's gonna work.
This is what you do, folks, when you're trying to save a little money, but you really like the shoes.
Yeah. It looks like my alignment's off because my right foot scuffs a lot. And it's a little bit wore.
Okay.
So I might have to go in for an alignment. Got my right leg is doing left turns or something. That's it. Set it and forget it. I'm gonna let that dry. Tomorrow, when I put these bad boys on to go for my every second day hike, every second day walk. There's no hiking involved, it's flat. Yeah, this is our Kuma tent. Been dragging this around for a year and we've set it up twice. And we've never actually used it since we got here. We set it up. Well, now I'm using it. It's protecting my shoes.
That's what we brought it for.
Yeah.
You just toss a camera on me and expect me to speak.
Speak, oh enlightened one.
Oh, enlighten one?
Yeah, where are we going?
I believe we are headed to Garner State Park. Forgive the noise outside.
Yeah, someone building stuff.
Yeah. So, we got our map. You have everything else. Did you know that it's been over a year since we installed our own ice RV locks?
Yeah, and they're working out fantastic.
Absolutely. I love the one-click button to lock and the code to unlock. I think we have something special coming up.
Yeah. Can't remember what that is. What is it?
On Ice is going to send us a little upgrade for us to try out and give you guys a review. We don't recommend any products that we haven't used and tested ourselves. This is one of those ones that we absolutely love and we would recommend to other RVers and anybody else who likes their product. Click the link below and we'll have a link for you, and keep an eye out for a special discount code for you too.
Coming soon.
Are you ready to go to Garner State Park?
I'm ready.
So the weather hasn't been exactly perfect.
I don't know, we've had some pretty good days. I mean, I've had some pretty bad days. So there's that. We're kind of waiting for a nice warm-ish day, which that it is today.
Very nice. Yep. So
I'm gonna go for a little hike, small hike.
if we can make it, we're gonna try and do this Crystal Cave Trail, which is supposed to be pretty cool. We will not be tackling the Old Baldy Trail, which I think is, if you can see in the distance, is the
that one over
top
here.
of that mountain-ish. They
is a
call it a mountain here.
Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's pretty high.
Yeah. Anyway, we will not be trying Old Baldy Trail because it looks a little long and a little challenging. Now, the state park's map says that the Crystal Cave Trail is steep, so we're gonna see what we see when we get there.
It's got something like 240 feet of elevation over the whole distance. I don't think that's gonna be horrible. We'll see. This might have been a bad idea.
Plus, we heard that Garner State Park is one of the most frequented state parks in
Texas. All of Texas.
All of Texas, so yeah.
Almost positive we're gonna get lost here. You need a walking GPS.
Yeah, that's what All Trails is for, but we don't pay for it. The drone walkway.
Oh, that's the one we want, right?
Yes, and then we can either go a
Walk
little
up.
bit on the Blinn River Trail, or
Yeah, we're gonna go left.
we're going left.
Yep. Yeah, we go up that way.
What's down there?
The river.
Hey babe, did you lock the truck?
No, but being this far away, one good thing about it is having the My GMC app. Bloop. Just hit the lock button, and hopefully it says locked. There we go, locked.
Locked.
Done deal. Whew.
I caught you off guard there, hey?
Yeah, well, I mean, even though we're in Texas and stuff, we don't lock the truck a whole lot. Probably shouldn't tell you guys this.
You.
I don't lock the truck a lot. I mean, I do for in more densely populated area, but like as far as the campground, I haven't been locking anything. I probably should get in the habit of that. I don't need my stuff stolen.
Yeah, because you know our luck.
Now, I think we jump on this trail for a short bit.
Yeah, we'll get ready for steep.
Okay.
Ever since we did the Ruby Falls cave tour, Jason's been interested in underground caverns.
Actually, you know what? I think it's since Lake Havasu when we did the Bat Cave.
Oh, really?
And that's only a tiny little one. And I thought that was intriguing as
all heck.
All heck. So now
we're
whenever
in
we're in an area where there's a cave, we hit that.
And this trail,
yeah, is now getting a little uneven.
It's like 4x4
and a little more inclined. I mean, the adventurous people are gonna say it's just a gravel path, but I ain't the adventurous type anymore. I have to plan and pace every little part of my day, so there's that. But this is not horrible. I mean, it's maybe a 1 or 2% grade. Oh shoot. Gets a little, the camera doesn't do it any justice, but it is a little bit steeper. The only good thing about this is when we turn around, it's all downhill.
Also, there should be a payoff.
Yeah, a 30-foot cave.
Crystal.
Yeah, we'll see what that is all about.
Whose idea was it for me to wear pants today?
I said it was shorts and t-shirt weather.
No, you just never answer my question.
No, you just never listen to me. We're only good for I told you so's. Because when we give them the warnings, they ignore them. And then you have to wait. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. Well, I told you so. Although, I will say, I'm glad you brought water because my mouth is drier than Gandhi's flip-flop.
All right, get some water.
It's only supposed to be like a 45-minute walk. We're gonna end up turning this into 2 hours because I'm gonna stop a lot.
I like that there's little pockets of like fall colors up on the hills.
Yeah.
Like we didn't get to see that when we were going down the East Coast, but that's just like a little nod. I think that's cool.
Yep. I mean, oh cripes. Look at it up there. It's just, it doesn't stop. Where is this crystal cave at that everybody talks about?
Somewhere.
This might have been
Maybe it was a bad
a
idea.
bad idea. Alright, less complaining and more doing.
Yeah, why did we have to be the ones to pick the most challenging?
Because I'm an idiot.
Because we want to see the cave.
I think I'm here. I really hope we're almost there because I'm starting to get dizzy.
Oh, really?
Yep.
We're going to keep moving, but I don't know if we're going to record a whole lot.
We'll see you at the summit if we make it.
Somebody's suffering. Yeah, we'll see you at the cave when we get there.
Yeah,
Do you want the flashlight, honey?
yeah. I didn't expect the opening to be fairly small. So I was like, oh, it's just going to be a big cave. No. And I said, don't bring the light. Someone didn't listen to me and brought the light. That was a good choice. So we're going to go check this cave out.
Okay.
And probably not see you till we get back to the truck because you don't need to see this guy suffering. Because he is suffering pretty bad.
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad. So yeah, it is sparkly. Years ago, what's the ones that drip down and collect?
Oh, stalactites
Or stalagmites?
Stalactites are tight to the ceiling, and stalagmites might reach the ceiling.
Okay, so we made it out.
Crystal Cave is right back there.
Yeah.
It's only about 30 feet in.
Yeah, it's a little steep going down, a bit of a hobble
Couple of-
down and climb out,
Big steps, yeah.
but it's not bad. Overall, the hike going up to it is, for me, pretty brutal. For everybody else, it'll be challenging, but not bad at all.
Don't let our experience stop you from coming to Garner State Park and doing any of the hikes. It's worth it either way.
I'm glad I did it. I know I'm gonna pay for it, but I mean, sometimes if I want to see this stuff, I've got to suffer a bit, and that makes it worth it.
And some of you might ask, why don't I just go and do it by myself and record it? I actually enjoy his company and he makes me laugh. So hiking
Yeah.
and doing these things by myself
She likes to listen to the huffing and puffing,
I do know.
partial cardiac arrest.
He makes me laugh and I enjoy spending time with him.
Thank God. Anyway, we're on our way out, so now we're
Hopefully downhill.
descending, which will be a bit better. I won't be exerting so much climbing. But we'll make it.
I wonder how many steps we've done today.
Feels like a million, I can tell you that.
Not that shot. I like the trees. It feels like you're like haunted, but not.
Yeah? Want a do-over on that one?
Be careful on those rocks.
Yeah. If I fall down, I'm not getting up.
We're gonna finish this little hike off right here. This is the last little bit of, it's like the Madrone walking trail. This is the paved pathway that we came on to go to the Crystal Cave Trail.
That's mostly because I'm degrading really bad.
This hike was a little too much for Jason.
Still doing it with a smile on my face.
Yes, he is. Hike review. Pretty good.
Well, when they say challenging.
When they say challenging, yes. If you have any sort of medical condition or physical disability, this trail is not recommended. It is doable for those who have their health and some stamina.
Yeah.
Anyway.
This is what it looks like when my legs really start giving out.
So we're gonna try not to laugh at Jay, but he's laughing at himself.
This is not the first time this has happened. And I'm sure it won't be the last. Can't even explain the sensation other than my joints don't want to work and my muscles, I don't know.
We're gonna make our way to the truck, but definitely recommend Garner State Park. If you have a chance to go, go. And we'll see you back at the camper.
Rest up, baby.
Well, Garner State Park and the walk up to Crystal Cave were a little tough on Jay, but he made it. This is why our travels and things we choose to do are a little slower and different than most. We have daily challenges to work around with Jason's health, but if we can do it, so can you. If you enjoy our kind of ride, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We've still got more Texas ahead of us. And remember, we don't plan it, we just roll with it.
I was supposed to record Katie hiking up this now steep incline and the battery died and I missed it all. So now I'm gonna watch her do it again.
Didn't we just have this conversation 10 minutes ago? Keep an eye on the battery.
Yeah, something like that. I didn't listen. I think I had my mute button on.
I counted the little rings on the map that said each ring was 20 feet in elevation. And he was like, yeah, that's not bad.
Well, 240 feet's not bad, but when it's 240 feet over 100 meters.
You're mixing your measurements there.
Oh, yeah. Feet, meters, yards, centimeters. It's gonna keep it interesting. They lied on the elevation on their map. I'm sure of it.
Let's just check the map.
Listen. Nothing. The only thing I can hear is my heart racing. Is this what heaven looks like?
Is that heaven?
I think I'm here. I'm dying.
Rocky.
This was a mistake.
There's what?
Whose idea was this? Nonsense.
Yours.